So here we have another nice, quaint Thanksgiving scene with music to listen to while we cook today. And you know what's so interesting about it is why in the heck is there a fork and a knife by each place setting of sides? So you're just gonna sit up and eat the whole thing of mashed potatoes. You're gonna slurp down that whole thing of gravy. Look at these cranberries. When the last time you seen steam coming out of your cranberries on Thanksgiving? I'll tell you what, there's a big debate over these cranberries. Some people like them jellied and some people like them whole. And I'll tell you what, I like them so whole. I want to see 1,000 sticks in them thing. I want to see sticks all stuck in my teeth. That's how much whole I want.